So now let's see how we can work around with mesh fill inside of Corel Draw. So in order to work around with mesh fill, I'm going to go around and take my rectangular tool right here, just like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the left hand side right here on the fill section and then choose mesh fill. So once I go ahead and do that, I can go around and drag in the dots, as you can see right here, in different places. And I can go around and choose the color for this particular dots. Let's say, for example, you can see that I have these dots right here. You can change around the mesh level right here, just like this, and select the dot that I want right here and then choose the color that I want right here for that particular mesh area. So I can go around over here onto this particular mesh color right here and then choose that particular mesh color right here. Then you can go around over here as well. Let's say, for example, on this particular color and then choose around another color right here. Then you can go around over here and choose another color around over here as well. And you can go around over here and choose another color right here, just like this, as you can see. And this is what you have. You can go around and choose the mesh point as you like right here and choose another color right here, just like this, so that it goes around and then meshes out together. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can click and drag these out. You can go around, drag out the handles to change around how the mesh color actually looks. Let me just decrease out the points a bit more down right here, just like this. So let's just go around and increase the points out right here, or decrease this out. Then I can go around and choose the color as I want right here. So I can go around and choose this color, and I can go around, choose this color, go around on this mesh point right here. Let's just go around and select it, choose this color right here, and you can create a mess of colors all together. As you can see, you can click right here to create new points as well, and then you can go ahead and choose a color right here. So this is what you have. So you can go around and change around the point right here, pull it out and make it much more sharp and so forth, just like this, as you can see right here. You can go ahead right here, just like this as well, and choose another color right here, just like this as well. And you can go around and choose right here and choose another color, and this is what you have overall, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with mesh fill option inside of Corel Draw. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.